You do not want to miss this, and you might want to pay attention. What's up, guys? Rico here. I've got a really good video. I'm actually going to touch up some very important things, some very key important things that you guys need to pay attention to. I mean, like, literally. If you look right now on my screen, I've got RIOT Blockchain that's already opened. See, I'm actually going to make this one a little longer. Let's extend it to the left. No. I meant extend to the right. There we go. You see that? Right now, RIOT Blockchain is basically going back to this support level. I know I started the video right into it because I don't want to waste much of your time. I want you to see this. RIOT Blockchain is literally back at the support level that we've tested once. I mean, back here. Now we're here. We've been around it for a little while. See, right here, we tested again over here. We've been at this level for a very long time, which, if you guys remember, it used to be a resistance, right? When we sold off completely. But now we are in this new pattern. As you can see here, it's basically between $40 and $30. Somewhere around $29, $30, $39. Let's just round it to $30. You see this pattern we've been in, and now look where we at right now as of today. So this is a really good deal. As for me right here, if I took profit somewhere here, which by the way I did, down here I'm gonna start buying. I know there is a probability that it might go below because we've been a little lower in these levels, somewhere in the low 20s. But once we started going in the 30s and somewhere below 30s, like right now it's 29 something, that's when I start buying, because I know there is a potential, there is a higher, or there's much bigger opportunity in the upside when things turn around. As you can see right now, where we at and where the level is, there is about a $10 to $11 difference. So buying at this price right now, it's already a good deal. So I want to show you something else, because I know a lot of people are wondering why is RIOT so beaten down so bad compared to like Maura, for example, that's been killing it, which we're going to get to it right in a minute, but I want to show it to you right now. Here's something that you need to see. The reason why RIOT Blockchain has been having some issues, or not just some issues like the stock has been beaten down, is only because right here, RIOT just filed a shelf offering for up to $600 million in new shares. So basically, there's a bunch of things. I can put this article in the description below, but I'm just going to explain it. They just issued new shares, which usually when things like this that come up, there is a bunch of like inside selling. Like right here, you'll see like RIOT expansion will also mean selling, insiders. So when they issue new shares, they're trying to raise money, and the reason they're raising is not because they're trying to generate some cash because they have too much debt. No, it's more because they want to generate cash to expand more the company. This is for an expansion, and they want to do this expansion, I believe it's in Texas. Exactly, it's a Texas expansion, as you can see right here. And for the fact that they issuing new shares that did not exist in the market before, now it's there, which kind of brings to usually the market or the stock usually react in just dropping down completely. Which is why we've been seeing RIOT Blockchain kind of lagging and basically underperforming. But it's a good thing because, hey, it's time to buy, because now we're going to be getting a really, really good deal. And as I can go back, even this article on Yahoo Finance talking about the same, but it's actually talking about record, Q2 that they pretty much did. I believe it was a couple weeks ago, if I'm not wrong. We can actually see it on the chart here. There you go. Here, as you can see it. So about 3 weeks ago, it was a pretty good earnings call. Again, they beat it. And every single month after the other, every month that they're doing like they're producing Bitcoin this year is actually way more than what they did last year at the same time. So the growth is it's way more. Like I believe in this one, the growth is somewhere around, like you can see, this represents like from last year to this year is about 1,540% jump in revenue. This is big because last year at the same time, they only reported $1.9 million in revenue, but this year, 31.5. It's growing. It is growing. So there is potential here because Bitcoin is not going anywhere. And for that, I actually wanted to show you guys something pretty cool as we're gonna get to it. But anyway, before we get to that, I don't know what's going on with my internet, but again, I just want to pull up this one. Before we talk to that, I'm gonna pull up Mara just real quick so I don't get you bored. If I can get to type on my computer here, there you go. Mara has been doing really good. And look, I was trying to actually open the Bitcoin chart. There it is. As you can see, I can put it down as I'm coming up. You can see, guys, the Mara chart and the Bitcoin chart are pretty much the same. They look like twins. But just like you can see, we have pretty much a big drop. I'll come back to RIOT in a minute. Just I want to show you something real fast. Here, we had a big drop, and that's what it's been doing. And you can see there is some kind of support right here. You can tell we've been doing this, and then here we are. So will Bitcoin bounce back? I believe it will, because it's already oversold down here in the stochastic. There is a possibility of a bounce back to reach back these higher levels. Again, we're just going back and forth in these ones. Now, as you can see, Mara right now, personally, I wouldn't exactly buy. If I buy down here, again, when you're trying to create some capital here or even make more profit, usually you want to sell at the top so you can buy back again when things start going down. Why? I think, hey, we had a breakout, but it looks like it was a false breakout, because now that we're below the 50 moving average, you can see, I believe that we might be able to stop somewhere right here. I think somewhere like 34 could be the support level, unless if we break it and go below it, that means if Bitcoin really go back to the 30s levels, like the low. But if it doesn't and still play within those levels that we're seeing right now, being showing you somewhere in the 40 something thousand, and we're probably going to see Mara bottom somewhere around 34 and some change. Let's just say 35. And then we're probably going to see it trying to go back and break through again into these new levels. So as of Mara right now, it's still a little bit pricey if you wanted to buy, but if you took some profit, good for you, kudos. But if you want to add some more and you, again, it's your decision for you to make. I just want to show you what it is right now. But I wanted to focus on RIOT just to let you know that this is a good deal. It's not just because you see it bit down, that doesn't mean it's not doing well. It's just because of those share offering that's going on right now. That's the only reason why it's low, which it offers a great opportunity for us. And this is the opportunity that I'm talking to you right now. And as you look here, something that I've actually noticed, if you see what's going on here, if you look at the stochastic right there, we're literally below, we're completely oversold. And it is actually the same thing in Bitcoin. We are completely over, we're below the 20, right? And now, even if I were to show you Mara, let's go back to it just real quick. You see that? They mimic each other. We're completely oversold, so we still got some upside here, right? So these are very important things that I wanted to show. This is a really quick, just recap type of video. I saw this opportunity and I wanted to show you. And one of the important things that I wanted to add is these type of opportunities, I usually make videos where I just show people exactly like what I see, what's going on. Some people want to make money quick, but sometimes you just have to have patience. And one a good example is Python, P-T-O-N. If I can type, well, Peloton Interactive. Well, I remember when I was making a video about Peloton and when right here, I believe it was exactly 2 weeks or a week and a half ago or something, I was talking about the earnings and I said it was a really good potential. And some people maybe expected it to do some crazy moves on earnings. Yes, it did. It dropped down, even though we thought it was going to have an upside. But again, I was saying in that video that there's always going to be a possibility for this to go back up to the level that it used to be. Yes, we sold off. We went down to these levels. And I'm sure maybe some people just felt like, oh, whatever. You have to have patience when you're dealing with stocks. And especially when you can identify a good deal, when you've done all your fundamental analysis and such company, it was only a matter of time. Look what we did. In a couple days, Mara was up all the way to $119. From bottoming to like $95 3 days ago. So it's on, when I see opportunities, I see when there is a bottom somewhere, and I'm like, it's a buying signal that I'm sending out there. Like companies like this, like Peloton, which is what brings me to Riot. Again, it's a buying signal I'm saying. Again, this is not financial advice, this is my own opinion. But again, it looks to me like it's a buying signal that's happening right now. So again, there is something important that I wanted to ask you. We are approaching 1,000 subscribers on this channel, which is really, really important to us because we started this, me and my brother, and we've been working really hard every single week to try and bring you content at least 2 times a week, sometimes even more, so you guys can get, up to date about stocks and financial world, whatever you name it. We try to do it and keep up to date, and we try to be as consistent as possible. And all we ask you guys is we're exactly at 983 subscribers. So if you guys can pump that subscribe button and bring us all the way to 1,000 subscribers, that will be awesome. Let's break that 1,000 subscribers, guys. And we're gonna keep pumping with videos and opportunities when there's buying signals, selling signals, and great things to do when it comes to stock market. And of course, giving you the best content that we could possibly give you out there. So please, guys, smash, or destroy, if I would say, that subscribe button. Bring us over 1,000 subs. Thank you, guys. If you like to trade in the stock market, please don't forget to sign up with the link in the description below. Webull, you deposit at least $1,000. Oh no, I'm going too far. It's actually $100. And you and I, we're both gonna get 4 free stars. Just like that, worth up to $1,200. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. As for me, I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.